गाना भी गलत गा दिया तुम गाने से।
तो पीछे क्या कर रही थी जो ओके सॉरी आर यू गाइस लाइक डेटिंग पीपल इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली?
नहीं यार, हमने ना एक गाना सुना था, प्यार मांगा है।
प्यार मांगा है तुम्हीं से, मुझे प्यार करो।
I think I was very lucky कि वो ये गाना हुआ and it happened to be this song. I was very excited क्योंकि किशोर, I'm a big किशोर कुमार fan, and yeah. और फिर of course you know I was told Zareen's doing the music video, and Arman singing it, Neeti singing it, so I think it was a great team to be part of, and I've never done anything like this, so you know it's first of a music video.
जब टीम डिसाइड हुई, जब पता चला कि you know it's going to be Ali with me and Arman is singing, Neeti is singing, so I was very happy because it looked like the dream team. So yeah. नहीं, क्योंकि आज मतलब सिंगल स्टार्स सभी कर रहे हैं. हमारे पहले ये इन दोनों ने किया, टाइगर, दिशा, ऋतिक has done it, Uma, like so many people have done it. So I don't think it really, and it's not कि you know कोई एवे ही सिंगल कर लिया है.
ये गाना खुद में एक बहुत लेजेंडरी गाना है, किशोर कुमार सर ने गाया था, एंड इसे रिक्रिएट करना एक इट्स अ टफ टास्क टू लिव अप टू सच अ लेजेंडरी सॉन्ग, लेकिन वी गेव इट अ ट्राई. वी प्रेजेंटेड इन आवर ओन वे, न्यू प्रोडक्शन, एंड लिरिक्स भी हमने काफ़ी चेंज किए, अंतरा भी नया है. So I think it's going to be exciting. People are going to love it, and it's a new horizon for the same song. So I think it's an interesting space. I didn't want to replicate what Kishore ji has already done. मैं चाहता था कि मैं एक fresh approach लूँ इस गाने के लिए, and अपने अंदाज में और अपने स्टाइल में गाऊँ. So I think this will be a new song in itself, even though it's a recreation, but it's going to offer something new to the audiences and listeners.
यार सब तरह के हुए हैं reactions. Some people are saying, "अरे why you always doing very serious stuff और ये वो and subtle actor and all that, and suddenly you're doing like this out and out number, which is." But then there's also a great part of the audience that is loving it. I'm so happy that people are loving it. They've liked the song. Yeah, एक iconic गाना है. I think it's that already adds so much value. And then Zareen and me are there, and then visually it's I feel it's very strong. It's got some nice moments. It's a love song. Yeah.
I am very happy कि इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है. नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव फीडबैक्स बोथ आर देयर, बट द पॉजिटिव इज़ मोर. लोगों को गाना बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि गाना बहुत अच्छा है. आई थिंक अरमान और नीति ने बहुत ही खूबसूरती से उसको गाया है. लोगों को अली और मेरी केमिस्ट्री बड़ी अच्छी लग रही है. सो आई थिंक आई एम हैप्पी विद द होल रिस्पॉन्स.
Oh, it was crazy because it was first day was raining a little. We were in Georgia, and so it was actually quite nuts. वहाँ पे एक बहुत ही sweet सी बिलीच सी करके एक छोटी जगह है, वहाँ पे हमने शूट किया. So that already added value. वहाँ की lighting बड़ी अच्छी थी, हमारे DOP बहुत अच्छे थे. He was an American guy. और yeah, I think हमारा crew was quite set. So the shots taken are very beautiful actually. They're very interesting.
It is very difficult क्योंकि जब there's a very thin line between sensual and vulgar. So we have to see that वो vulgar पे नहीं cross हो जाए. तो keeping that in mind, और फिर जब हम ये सब shoot करते हैं तो there are like so many people around on set looking at so many eyes staring at you doing that. And that is something very intimate, and you don't want so many people around, but then you have to because you're shooting, and then there are these cameras kept at like different places, so you have to be really seeing कि camera का angle कौन सा है क्या नहीं है. So you have like 10,000 things happening in your mind that time, and and on top of that, after like so many things in your mind, आपको चाहिए कि वो जब दिखे तो अच्छा भी दिखे. तो I think it's very difficult shooting for it, and I'm just happy that in this song it's come out to be looking very beautiful.
It is very difficult because before anything starts, I think you have to have that respect between actors, you know, the two actors that are actually doing it, and not just anything. I mean, even
in the comfort zone also.
Yeah, it's a comfort zone, you know. So more than me, I'm more worried how, you know, my co-actor is feeling about it, or I'm sure the other way around. And yeah, and every scene is choreographed. So उसकी choreography एक होती है. हम ऐसे ही नहीं जाके कुछ कर लेते हैं और फिर वो कुछ बन जाता है. तो वो एक it is a mechanical process, and then we put some acting in it, थोड़ा.
And it's very important that you're, you know, a little comfortable with your co-actor. So it's great that he comes across as a very chilled out guy, and तो वो थोड़ा सा
come across. Is he
come
really?
across. He might not.
at times. No, he's great. I think that really helped.
But real life में ऐसे
No, I think it's very important to smell nice. So I think that's a great thing that he did.
अब मुझे एक दफा छोड़ के जा चुकी है एक लड़की. मजाक कर. लेकिन that will be really horrible. हाँ, मतलब किसी को छोड़ के चली गई कि यार देखो यार तेरा डिओ ना गलत है.
काम नहीं कर रहा.
नहीं, ज़्यादातर तो एड्स में होता है. कहीं भी लगा लो और आ जाती है. बट वो मेरे पास ही खड़ी थी और मेरी बीवी है.
हाँ, so I had no option.
So yeah, that was it. वो मिरर के सामने push.
Of course, you have to be presentable. जब भी आप जा रहे हो कोई डेट पे हो या you meeting a girl, you need to smell good. I think
Of
that's
course,
very
it's
important.
very important.
His stress point is ऐसे कभी किया है.
वो action देख रहे हैं सर. So as Zareen said, it's very important कि you need to smell good, you need to look good also. And yeah, of course, I think सब boys करते हैं. मैं अगर
Yeah, bro. Yeah, totally.
Thank God करते हैं.
I mean,
थोड़ा extra effort जाता है before you go.
हाँ, lots. मतलब we boys are no less. Just saying, it's and it's okay to love yourself, man. Like,
Yeah,
why
of
not?
course.
It is great to love yourself. I